Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix air fryer error code E1. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly fix your air fryer if you're getting that error code E1 here. Well, fixing this issue is going to be fairly easy, but there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first things first, for safety reasons, is you want to unplug your air fryer. Now, in this case, if you're having problems with your air fryer here, because usually E1 error here is because some electrical issues inside of it, well, disconnecting from the power source is something that's really important. Next is you want to access the internal components here. So in this case, you may want to remove the top stainless steel cover. So if you may be able to remove it yourself. In this case, you may need to use a flathead screwdriver or carefully pry them open. Now this actually depends on what brand or what model you currently have for air fryers. So they are quite different from each other. So you may need to refer to your manual on exactly how to access the internal components here. Now, once inside, you'll find 4 screws holding the main assembly. So you want to loosen them up and lift the component or remove the component. Now look for the blue wire attached on the circuit board here. So if it's loose or not fully seated in its connector, push it firmly back into place. And in this case, this often causes the error. Now from then on, you can go and just reassemble and test this. So tighten the screws, put the cover back on, and make sure everything is actually secure. Now plug the air fryer back in, and error should now be gone. Now, in this case, if you're not sure on how to exactly do this, well, it's best to consult with a technician or someone that actually knows how to fix this. Like, for example, the customer support of the brand of your air fryer. Usually, they will give you advices or they could give you appropriate steps on what you could do further in order for you to fix this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.